Today, udon. Udon is today. Udon is just worms, basically. Just a small one today, small dinner. I guess I have 2 eggs. This is where I store my eggs, so they don't roll off. We could use a couple bean sprouts. Some spring onion. I guess that's it. I never really eat udon at restaurants. I don't really know what toppings they use. I only really eat curry udon. But I know we need this. It's just this, mirin, which I don't have, hondashi, and soy sauce. Sesame seeds? I guess so. Huh. There it is. Stir fry udon? No. Soup. Soup udon. I only have 1 saucepan. So the eggs. I need to make the udon in one and the eggs in another one. I can cook the udon really quickly. So I'll do the eggs first. Yeah. Eggs real quick. And when I'm taking the shell off, do the udon, which will take like a couple minutes. Yes, that's the plan. Why we put the egg in cold water? I'm gonna boil it. It's fine. I don't care, I'm doing it my way. This is my way. Wheel way. Egg criminal. No, I'm not an egg criminal. 7 minutes. Mental timer. Okay, while that's going, need to cut this up. Is tap water safe in Japan? I think so. I've been drinking it for 2 years now, so I think it's safe. Don't copy how I cut, because you'll probably cut your finger off. Today, I couldn't stop pooping in the morning. Had to poo like 3 times in like an hour. My stomach was just so upset, like felt very ill. And like I'd think like, okay, all the bad poop is out. And I'd go back to my desk and then I'd feel bad again after 5 minutes and I have to go and poop again. It was horrible. Hondashi, which is like instant dashi. Don't know how much to use. This, cooking sake, soy sauce, that much, some sugar, I guess. What? Crack it like that, and then roll it. Oh, I broke it a bit, whoops. I was too rough of it. Usually rolling it helps. And then, wait, I don't want to throw the egg in there, whoops. I messed up. I'm sorry. I'll put it here for now. Then, you need to try and get a piece of, like the bottom skin, which helps you like peel it all off really easily. I'm just nervous because you guys are watching me. And you're judging me. God. This is going very poorly, I must admit. You can see the yolk here. Ah! I can't do it. No! It's again. Oh. Forget that. Uh... That was just a dud one. This is the real one right here. I'll do it over and over until I succeed. I got 10 more eggs and some hours to spare. If it takes me all night, I'll get one. It was going good up until now. Oh no, it's opening again. Please! I'm at the finish line, please! Please! God, please. Please, egg, I beg you. Just don't break, okay? Oh yeah. We got one. Now this was a win right here. Oh god. That doesn't look very good. Raw eggs for dinner. Spilled everywhere. I know I should have done it in my hands. I should have just poured it like this. Very, very hot. Didn't even have to cut the egg. Exactly. It was all part of the plan. Rabbit food. Let's try the broth. Mmm. Actually nice. That went well at least. Try egg, okay. It's too soft, I can't pick it up. Here it is. Can you see the yolk? I'm really scared. I'm gonna like break it, drop it. Like popped in my mouth. It was good. You guys are haters. You wish you had this udon. Get some practice in. But I'll just waste. I can't eat like 100 eggs. I'll die. I wouldn't waste all of them. Hand them out down the stairs. No one would take them. They'll think I'm a freak. There would be eggs left to eat, because I'd get better at it. It's your guys' fault for telling me. I should have done it my way. And usually I don't use ice water. I'm already full from the... sorry. I'm already full from the pizza. Not full from pizza. Full from raw egg. It wasn't raw. It was cooked. You saw it cooking. There's no, like, doubt that it wasn't cooked. I'm tired of this bullying. Stop lying. Stop lying to continue your bully tactics. It's not fair. It's a 3v1. I don't have anyone to back up my truth. I don't want to stream anymore. I'm just coming here to get bullied. Stop! Stop sending eggs. I don't look like an egg. And I can cook eggs, I just did. You guys aren't funny. Bad jokes. You guys should be in a YouTube cringe compilation because your jokes are so bad. I didn't bully the eggs. I was kind to them. But they rebelled against me. Eggistan. So bad. Such a bad joke. You guys talk a lot of shit. I'd like to see your eggs. I bet your eggs are even worse. No. I will not accept this. Good thing I didn't have 2 eggs. Yeah, exactly. That was all part of the plan. That was just the divine spirits saying, no, Wheel. You should not have 2 eggs. You'll be too full. You should break one. It's for your own good. That extra egg will make your belly explode. That's why. It wasn't me, it was them. I couldn't help it. Bad one. Bad joke. Another swing and a miss. My desk at work is it's like right under the aircon basically. So whenever the aircon on, it blows right on my head. And it's always on, and I'm just sitting there freezing. Today it was kind of warm, and the aircon wasn't on. And this woman just suddenly goes, "Oh, it's hot, isn't it?" It's like, "No, it's not hot." And she went to put the aircon on. So I was freezing for the rest of the day. Get my head blasted by freezing wind. Yeah, I was basically getting brain freeze. It was horrible. Tomorrow is something I've never made before, so it'll probably go badly. Like, even worse than today, I assume. No, what am I saying? You guys are brainwashing me. Today it didn't go bad. Today was fine. You guys just making me believe that today went badly. The sink is hungry. He's got plenty to eat.